Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, Jens Davidson here. Just made a birthday present for my sister. This is a 14th century candlestick holder. This was a blacksmithing challenge or teaching exercise from the Hereford, England College of Blacksmithing. This started out as about 2.5 inches of 5/8 square bar stock, and I flattened it out, splayed this end out to form cup. Had a taper coming off of there, about 60 mils of taper, 60 mils of taper on the other end. It was a long, roughly 210 millimeter length of bar, about 8 millimeter square roughly. Then I took that 5/8 square bar stock or 16 mil bar stock and drew it out into that, and then folded it over on itself, fire welded or forge welded at the bottom, drew that out to a point, put a slight twist in there to act as a sort of a twist drill to lock it into a crabapple stub here, or section of log here, and finished it off with an oil finish. I think it turned out pretty well. Thank you very much for watching. I will do a video on making these things because that was a seriously fun project, and yeah, I'm definitely going to do it again. So take care.